Imagine you have a list of 100 friends, and you want to wish every single one of them happy birthday. You could write the same line of code 100 times, or you could use a loop and write it once. That's exactly what loops are for. Anytime you need to do the same thing to every item in a list, a loop handles it automatically so you don't have to repeat yourself. In JavaScript, one of the most common ways to loop is the for of loop. Here's how it works. You give the current item a name, then you tell it which array to loop over. Every time the loop runs, it picks one item at a time, does what you tell it to do, and then moves on to the next one. It keeps going until every item has been covered. You can also do calculations inside a loop. Say you have an array of numbers and you want to double every single one. The loop runs through each number, multiplies it by 2, and logs the result. What would have taken 5 lines of code now takes 1. You see loops everywhere in real products. When a social media app loads your feed, it's looping through an array of posts. When a music app displays your playlist, it's looping through an array of songs. When an e-commerce site renders your cart, it's looping through an array of items. Anytime you see a list displayed on screen, there's almost certainly a loop behind it. So, to summarize, loops let you do the same thing to every item in a list without repeating your code. The for of loop is your go-to for arrays. Give the item a name, point it at your array, and let the loop do the work.